Students are used to being able to work with great equipment at SCAD. The facilities include the most up-to-date technology as far as computers go. They're working with Cintiq tablets and computer numeric controlled routers that sculpt material from 3D designs that students have come up with.
Most students are well engaged in technology. Most of them have tablets at home, some even Cintiq displays.
Where I'm seeing technology as a tool in our classroom. To take examples of what we use for sketching. Again, analog sketching, paper to pencil, perfect, it triggers something in your brain. Well, students started using just the mouse. Some of that creativity stopped. We loaded our computer labs with Wacom tablets. Now the student can look, and it's that one-on-one when the pen hits the screen. It's just like paper. So now they're getting that same creative fire going back and forth, so it's a quicker relay. You don't have that disconnect from pen to paper, same as you do with a mouse.
I've been jumping on the Cintiqs we have in our lab a lot more and being able to flesh out, and I really enjoy the fact that we have all the color options and I can just do what I couldn't do unless I invested so much money in pens. SCAD's awesome enough to have invested in so many. It's really made a big difference for me this quarter.
I think something very important about having the Cintiqs around is that it really gives me the opportunity to bring back some of my artistic background into my design work, because it really helps me put some of the emotional side of like who I am as a designer into my products.
The Wacom tablets really come into play for me because I love sketching. I love rendering with markers and I love pencil. But for a more realistic and a more convincing rendering, the digital element has to be included into my ideas. It doesn't really work with a mouse at all. Wacom and Cintiq products have kind of almost created a seamless integration between, somebody who's like me, who's very comfortable with drawing with a pencil and a marker, to someone who, is better on the computer plane but would like to move those elements to the computer and to the digital world.
A student's experience here working on a Wacom product gives them the opportunity to walk into their first job knowing how to use the best technology that's available. So our students are working with the latest and greatest thing, and the Wacom products are fantastic.
Pretty much wherever you go, they're doing some type of digital rendering on some level. If they don't own Cintiq, someone owns a tablet. And it's just kind of the standard nowadays for people to present concepts at some point in the design process. It's just becoming a lot bigger of the deal as we keep going with the technology and it keeps getting better.
I think it's definitely putting me ahead of a lot of other people out there, honestly. I think SCAD has given me lots of opportunities to develop myself as a designer and giving me the opportunity to have access to technology such as Wacom.
We entitle the students to think for themselves, so they'll build their own methodology, their own philosophy. But building off the foundations of your professors, of your university, of people around you, and you have that drive, you can succeed in anything. I think that's the difference.
I would just be happy with, really working at a firm or a company that I'm passionate about. That's really my end goal, if I can be passionate where I end up.
Sometimes I view my education more as I'm being educated as a designer rather than just a product designer, because there's so many aspects of industrial design. I think the development of technology is really going to push where I can go as a designer.
SCAD was one of the very first universities to offer computer art. And since that time, SCAD and art and computers and technology have gone hand in hand. There's a big effort to make sure that we live up to that name of being the university for creative careers.